So let's consider this jam question. It says a man walks 1 kilometer due east and then 1 kilometer due north. His displacement is, remember, displacement is something as resultant. So before you solve this question, you're supposed to know your 4 cardinal points very well. This is east, west, north, and south. So let me draw my diagram here now. This is my 4 cardinal points. So let's go back to the question. It says a man walks 1 kilometer due east. Where is east? East is this side. That means I will project this line towards east. To any point at all you stop, write your 1 kilometer. Then it says then another 1 kilometer due north. Where is north? North is upwards. That means you are projecting this upwards. Like this. Stop at any point, labeled 1 kilometer. Then complete this triangle. So here is the displacement you are asked to calculate. That displacement is also known as resultant R. If you look at this diagram very well, this is a right angle triangle, which we are going to use Pythagoras theorem to get the resultant or displacement. Remember, Pythagoras theorem states that the square of the hypotenuse or the longest side of any right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the square of the 2 remaining sides. Before I get this answer, remember to like, comment, and share. So we are squaring this R, which is the resultant first, which will now be equal to the sum of the square of the 2 remaining sides, which is 1 square plus 1 square. Therefore, R squared will give us 1 plus 1, because 1 squared is 1, 1 squared will also give you 1. R squared is equal to 2. Only R, which is the resultant or displacement, will now be equal to square root of 2. Therefore, the displacement R is equal to root 2 kilometers. So let us check the answer now. Remember, this is a right angle triangle. It means that here is 45 degrees. The other side is also 45. Here is 90. So we are going to get the direction now. That means the resultant or displacement is equal to root 2 kilometer 45 degree northeast. 45 degree northeast. This is the answer. I think the correct option is option C. 2 kilometers 45 degree northeast. Thank you for watching. Bye.